What's the meaning of buddy? Buddy. Buddy.
Buddy. Buddy. Buddy is a term used to refer to a friend or companion who is usually someone close and trusted. It is commonly used to address a person in a friendly and affectionate way. The term often implies a sense of camaraderie and loyalty between two people, indicating a certain level of familiarity and intimacy. It can also be used as a pronoun, referring to a person as my buddy. Overall, it is a simple and informal way to refer to someone you consider a friend or close companion.